If you've cracked your T-Mobile phone screen, you have several convenient repair options to choose from. First, T-Mobile's Protection 360 program offers same-day screen repairs at over 600 stores nationwide with trained technicians. Second, their strengthened partnership with U-Fix by Assurion provides authorized repairs using genuine parts that maintain your warranty coverage. Third, their fleet of mobile repair vans serves major metropolitan areas, offering convenient on-site repairs within 2 to 4 hours. Fourth, Mail-in Repair Service offers a 24 to 48-hour turnaround with prepaid shipping for your convenience. Now let's look at costs. With T-Mobile Protection 360, you'll pay a deductible between $29 and $99, depending on your device tier. Without insurance, repairs range from $150 to over $400 for flagship devices like the iPhone 15 or Samsung Galaxy S24, while budget and mid-range devices cost $80 to $200. For those who need their phone back immediately, Express Repair Premium guarantees same-day service for an additional $50 fee. These comprehensive repair options ensure T-Mobile customers can get their cracked screens fixed quickly and affordably, whether through insurance coverage or direct payment options. When your T-Mobile phone screen gets damaged, there's a clear step-by-step process to get it repaired quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through each stage of the repair journey. Step 1 is damage assessment. Use the T-Mobile app to get an instant quote by simply taking a photo of your damaged screen. The app uses AI-powered analysis to provide accurate repair cost estimates immediately. Step 2 is choosing your preferred service option. You can visit a T-Mobile store for same-day repair, request mobile service where technicians come to you, or use the convenient mail-in service. Step 3 is scheduling your appointment. This can be done easily through the T-Mobile app or website, where you can choose your preferred time slot and location. Before the actual repair begins, your device data will be automatically backed up to the cloud. Then certified technicians perform the repair with real-time updates sent to you throughout the process. Now let's discuss important considerations when getting your screen repaired. T-Mobile's Protection 360 insurance can pay for itself after just 1.5 repairs on average, making it a smart investment. Always compare repair costs to trade-in incentives for device upgrades. Sometimes upgrading to a new phone might be more cost-effective than repairing an older device, especially if repair costs exceed 60% of the device's value. Finally, prevention is always better than repair. Using a quality screen protector can reduce the likelihood of future screen damage by up to 73%. This simple investment can save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs over your device's lifetime. Following this step-by-step process ensures your T-Mobile device gets professional repair service with quality guarantees. Remember to consider insurance coverage, compare costs wisely, and invest in prevention to protect your device investment.